marami pang nabibiling produkto ang minimum wage noong 1989 kaysa sa ngayon. The sad reality, Mr. Speaker, is that workers have been tragically left behind by our economy. Nominal minimum wage increases have not kept up to pace with the havoc that inflation has caused on our wage earners. Sa tabi ng kakarampot na pagtaas ng sahod, hindi dumadali ang buhay ng mga manggagawa at ordinaryong Pilipino. Indeed, the increase of salaries are a mere illusion when we consider the increase in price of goods and services. Mr. Speaker, mga kasama, the last legislated wage increase was in 1989, 36 years ago. Back then, the minimum wage was 89 pesos, compensating for the inflation that is equivalent to a real wage of 572 pesos by today's standards. Contrast this to today's average national minimum wage of 493 pesos. Ibig kong sabihin, Mr. Speaker at mga kasama, mas marami pang nabibiling produkto ang minimum wage noong 1989 kaysa sa ngayon. Sa harap ito ng sinasabing paglago ng ating ekonomiya. Wage increases then are not about growth, but about recovery, and a failing recovery at that. In this equation, we have not even considered the farce that is the provincial rate, where we have witnessed the real stagnation and lowering of workers' wages, especially at the margins of society.
Tara na, kamanggagawa!